Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today's video we can learn how to make a web on which a spider is hanging. The spider is actually making the web. As you can see, firstly we will start with the web and then we will make the small and cute spider with 8 legs. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can again learn how to make a really beautiful dress which is really good for learning designing and stuff. We will start by drawing the dress and then we'll draw the hands and then we will draw the boundary of the dress in a really beautiful manner by which it looks more elegant and pretty. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make a big basket which is full of textures also. Firstly, we will make the boundary of the basket which is quite big, and then we will draw the textures on the basket and also inside the basket to make it look more elegant and more beautiful. Moving on to the next one of today's video, we can learn how to make a small and simple umbrella. Firstly, we'll make the head part of the umbrella and then the stick. Thank you for watching the video.